Hey everyone, today I'm going to share 10 awesome VLC media player tips and tricks that'll transform the way you watch videos, listen to audio, and even manage your media library. By the end of this video, you'll know how to harness VLC's hidden features and probably wonder how you ever lived without them. So let's dive right in and start leveling up your VLC game. First, let's talk about playback speed. Whether you're rewatching a lecture or catching up on a podcast, being able to speed things up or slow things down can be incredibly handy. In VLC, just head to playback, then speed, and select the rate that suits you. Want that video to breeze by or need to slow it for note-taking? You're in control. Plus, you can use keyboard shortcuts. The right arrow key jumps forward 10 seconds, and if you hold Shift while using the arrow, you'll leap ahead just 3 seconds, which is perfect for fine-tuning. So if you miss something, don't sweat it. Just tap back or forward until you're right where you want to be. Next, let's unlock advanced controls for recording. Imagine you want to capture a snippet of a movie or save part of your desktop for a quick tutorial. Go to View and select Advanced Controls. You'll notice some new buttons appear above your playback bar. Clicking the little red record button lets you start and stop capturing video, whether it's from a file or even what's happening on your screen. It's super useful for saving memorable moments, quick how-tos, or even just archiving something for later. Now, let's say you have a video but want to make it into an audio file to save space or listen on the go. VLC makes converting media files easy. Go to Media, then Convert Save. Add your video, click Convert Save, and choose a profile like Audio MP3. Select where you want the new file to be saved, and VLC takes care of the process. It's an easy way to turn that video lecture into a podcast or extract music from a clip. Give it a try. Ever wish you could grab a still image from a video? It's simple. Press Shift+S if you're on Windows or Linux, or CMD+Alt+S on a Mac. VLC instantly captures the frame and saves it right in your videos folder. No need to pause at the perfect moment or use a separate screenshot tool. It comes in handy when you want a quick reference image, a new desktop wallpaper, or proof of something you spotted on screen. If you love podcasts, VLC isn't just for video. It can subscribe to and play podcasts too. Just find your favorite podcast's RSS feed, copy the link, and go into the playlist menu in VLC. Click the plus icon next to podcasts, paste the RSS link, and voila, the podcast updates right in your playlist. It's an easy way to keep your audio and video all in one place. Let's jump to something really cool, recording from your webcam. Go to Media, then open Capture Devices and select Direct Show from Capture Devices. Pick your webcam, click the arrow next to play and choose Convert. Set your profile and choose where to save the recording, then start. Maybe you're practicing presentations or want to record a video message. VLC makes that straightforward. Here's a fun one. Set a video as your wallpaper. Head to Tools, Preferences, and look for video options. Under Display, check the full screen box. That way, every video plays in full screen. After saving and restarting VLC, whatever you're watching takes center stage. It's a conversation starter or just a way to add some cinematic atmosphere to your desktop. Want to boost your audio and video quality? For sound, go into Tools, Preferences, and enable Force Detection of Dolby Surround, plus set your audio output to Dolby Surround. This punches up stereo tracks to give them some extra space. For smoother video, in Preferences, Video Display Output, choose OpenGL if you're on Windows and restart VLC. It's a tweak that can make playback noticeably smoother, especially on older computers. Shortcuts matter, especially if you use VLC a lot. Customize keyboard shortcuts to match your style by going to Tools, Preferences, and the Hotkeys tab. Maybe you want quicker access to full screen, volume, or playlist controls. Set it how you like and save yourself time every day. And finally, make VLC always stay on top. Go to the View menu and click Always on Top. This is such a handy trick if you're multitasking, review a video while writing, or follow a tutorial with VLC never disappearing behind other windows. So there you have it, 10 VLC tips and tricks that'll help you work smarter and play harder with your media. If you enjoyed these tips or have questions about VLC, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. See you in the next one.